Assalamualaikum. My name is Syed Tabish Hassan. I'm a station number is 2018W306 and I'll be giving you a short description of ADXL Level 35 sensor. It is a small, low power, complete 3-axis accelerometer with signal conditioned voltage output. The sensor has a built-in MEMS mechanism, micro electromechanical mechanism, which moves on the tilting. It has fixed plates in which there is capacitance between them and also suspended mass. Our sensor converts the capacitance into analog value and send it to the Arduino via output pins.
My name is Ahmed Raza and my registration number is 2018EE281.
The RF transmitter module consists of 3 pins. Number 1 VCC, number 2 ground, number 3 data. The VCC pin of RF transmitter module operates at a voltage ranges from 3 volt to 12 volt. The data pin of RF transmitter module is used to transmit data. The RF receiver module has 4 pins. Number 1 VCC, number 2 D out, number 3 linear out, number 4 ground. The VCC pin of RF receiver module operates at 5 volt regulated. The D out and linear out pins of the RF receiver module are shorted together to receive the data. This is all about RF module.
I'm Syed Shan Mustafa and my registration number is 2018W256. I'm going to give you an overview of L298 and motor driver module. The L298 and motor driver module is a high power module for driving DC and stepper motors. This module can control or drive up to 4 DC motors or 2 DC motors with directional and speed control. It consists of L298 and motor driver IC, 7M05 5 volt voltage regulator, a resistor, a capacitor, power LED and a 5 volt jumper integrated in a circuit.
Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Habibur Rahman and my roll number is 2018-264 and now I am going to tell you about an important component of our project, the Arduino Nano board.
Microcontroller used in Arduino Nano is ATmega328P with a 32 KB memory and a 2 KB SRAM. It has 12 digital, 8 analog pins with a working voltage of 5 volt and a clock speed of 16 MHz. The 12 digital pins are from D2 to D13. The 8 analog pins are from A0 to A7. These digital and analog pins are assigned with multiple functions, but their main function is to act as either input or output. For example, when we use a pin for a sensor, in this case we have to get the input from the sensor, so the pin is used as input. In another case, when we use the pin to drive a motor, the pin is used as the output. Now we discuss the communication protocol supported by the Arduino Nano. The communication protocols are serial protocol, SPI protocol and I2C protocol. The pins used for SPI protocol is pin number 10, 11, 12 and 13. The pin number 10 is SS, select pin. The pin 11 is MOSI, master output slave input pin. And the pin number 12 is MISO, master input slave output pin. And pin 13 is serial clock.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Usman Nasir, my registration number is 18W272. My friends have already told you about the components we have used in our project, so let's assemble these components together and see the logic of our project.